How to get your Capital One checking account statements online. If you want to get your Capital One checking account statements online, it's a fairly simple process for us to do so. What we have to do for this is you can either go to capitalone.com or you can open the Capital One mobile banking application. Then you have to simply log into your account. So just wait until the app has loaded up and go to the login button and enter your username and password to log in. Click on the checking account for which you want to view the statements. Then select the option that says View Statements or Paperless option if you're enrolled in that program. Then after that, you'll see a list of your statements, which you can view your statements directly online or download them as PDF files. Now, if you've enrolled in paperless statements, by the way, you might also receive a notification in your email when your statement is available. But to give you an idea, this is how you can get your Capital One checking account statements online. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.